Hi, welcome to our practice today. So we're gonna begin on our backs. Feel free to move any props off to the side. If you have a block, have it nearby, we will use it, or a blanket. Once you come onto your back, let's come into constructive rest pose. You're welcome to support your head now if you need to. We'll bring the arms by our sides, palms up. Bend the knees, feet on the floor, about hip width distance apart, or you can bring the feet to the width of the mat and let the knees knock into touch. Sometimes that's a nice way to release our lower back, especially if you've been standing all day. So just see what feels more comfortable for you. Knees pointing straight up or knees knocking into touch. And allowing your arms to rest by your sides. Ideally, the palms are up to keep the shoulders relaxed. Slight tuck of the chin into the chest, back of the neck is long. Take a nice deep full breath in through your nose, and as we exhale, we'll exhale through the mouth and start to allow your lower front ribs to draw down slightly. Just gently drawing them down. Inhale and exhale through the nose, through the mouth if you want to exhale as well, just as we begin to arrive on our mat, on our backs. Exhale, see if you can allow those low ribs to soften a little bit more, your shoulders, your jaw. And just as we begin our practice as a meditation, just start to bring awareness to your breath. Notice, where is your breath moving in your body in this moment? Can you trace the pathway the breath is leading in your body? Allowing you to be present in the moment, connected to your breath, connected to your present body. And taking that full breath in, and full breath out. And this is just a wonderful way to start a day, end a day, midday break. Just this pose, connecting to your breath. Laying on the ground, grounding down. You might invite in an intention for your practice today, or simply a moment of gratitude. Now let's bring our arms alongside the body, closer into the body, palms turned down. We'll shuffle the feet about hip width distance apart. Knees are pointing straight up to the sky. We'll move into arc and flatten. So we're going to inhale, arc our low back, press the tailbone and upper back into the mat. Really feel the low back arc. As you exhale, flatten, draw the navel to the spine, spine right into the mat, lower back pressing down, root down into your feet. Inhale as we arc the low back, tailbone pressing down. Exhale, we flatten, flattening navel in, slight scoop of the tailbone, rooting through the feet. So I want you to continue arc and flatten to the pattern and flow of your breath. Inhale and exhale, inhale, arc, exhale, flatten. So just feeling this rhythm of your breath. You might even slow it down a lot and lengthen your breath. You might move a little bit quicker. Always find moving a bit slower, we get to be more connected to the body and feel more. So just honoring where you are in this moment. Feel the undulation of your spine, which parts of my spine, my back, mid-back can touch the mat. Feel the movement of the tailbone connected to the cervical spine, more closer to the top of the head, how the head might move a little bit naturally as you arc and flatten. So just allow for the movement. All the fascias connected from lower to the upper, upper to the lower, so the whole webbing of the body. So feel that movement. Take 2 more cycles of breath through arc and flatten.